Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What a great event. I am Iqbal Qureshi, past district governor and currently the fiscal agent of both the districts. Regarding the occasion, this is Rotary District Assembly 23-24. And this is a great challenge for the incoming governor to take it, because this is the final year of the RI Director Faiz Kidwai. We had taken a wonderful assignments last year, but we hope that in the coming year we will do something much more better than this. और जब इसमें अल्लामा इकबाल का एक शेर मुझे याद आता है कि तुंदहे बाद मुखालिफ से न घबराए अकाब, तुंदहे बाद मुखालिफ से न घबराए अकाब, ये तो चलती है तुझे ऊंचा उड़ाने के लिए. तो whatever the difficulties you feel, this is a great challenge for you, and this challenge has to be met. We are making a strategic plan also for 3 years, and this will create a continuity in the Rotary. This is something very extraordinary which has been introduced by RI Director Faiz Kidwai. Thank you Faiz Kidwai Sahab, thank you Hanif Muhammad Khan Sahab, and wish you best of luck.